Hello my dear health seekers, Inga from Health Origins here. So today I'm gonna show you how to easily make ground nuts and spices with your Soyabella milk maker. So yeah, it's just so easy. All you need is the cup, the clear cup that comes with the Soyabella. We're gonna take the motor out. And we're gonna fill this cup up to the max line, so don't overfill above that line and don't underfill it, because there's like a minimum line and maximum line. So obviously make sure whatever you're grinding is between those lines, so you'll not be able to do very small amounts of spices, for example, in here, or a tablespoon of coffee, for example, or anything like that. So it needs to have at least, you know, that a bit of amount up to be able to work. But I've got a cup of almonds, and that's actually perfect to the max line. So I'm gonna make some nut and chocolate chip cookies, which I'll link above down below once I've got the recipe for you. But yeah, I need some ground almonds. So I've got my almonds, dry almonds in here. Then I'm gonna work my motor in there and make sure I lock it, because you can feel it locking in a secure position. Then I'm gonna place it in the Soyabella here and attach the cord. So yeah, so there you go. So you can see a red light flashing now, and all you need to do is just press mill button. So it'll obviously go through one milling cycle, but we'll probably need to press it a few times, yeah, to make sure all of that almond gets ground up properly. So we'll press it once. So there you go. So it's finished, and it's not a very long process. It was very loud to start with, because obviously the nuts were just being whizzed up, but we can have a look. So I'm gonna just take the cord off, and we're gonna just check what's happened. So yeah, so you can see that actually most of it is already ground up. I'm just gonna give it one more go just to make sure it's nice and fine, and that will be my ground almonds done. So attach it, press mill once again, and that's it. So you don't want to over mill it, because if you over mill it, can't even speak. If you over mill it, then obviously it will start making this almost into butter, right? So let me just open that and have a look. Right, so nice ground almonds. There are some little chunks in there, but not any massive big bits. So yeah, so that's ground almonds that I'm going to be using for my nut and chocolate chip cookie recipe. And that's the same way you can ground any kinds of nuts or seeds or even spices in this. So it's just as easy as filling between those two lines, locking onto motor, putting it in, and just pressing mill function, and then obviously press the mill function as many times as you need to get the consistency of milling you're going for. So I hope it was useful for you. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you're new to this channel, welcome, and subscribe for more videos on vegan lifestyle, vegan recipes, also Soyabella recipes, Instant Pot recipes, as well as healthy natural weight loss, and also some vegan skincare tutorials. And as always, guys, remember, food is fuel, so be mindful of what you put in the body. Until next time.